Hello guys, welcome back to Formula EOSBM. I am Marchel'e and we are getting ready to get into another unboxing from Steve Madden. We got a few boxes to go through today. I'm so excited to show you all these. This is our second shipment. Number two. Get into the nails. You know the girlies, we love a fresh set. We love a fresh set, guys. Are we loving these stiletto nails? I love them. How about the natural hair? Do you all love the natural hair? Shout out to my stylist. Yes. Are we loving the natural hair? I don't wear it too often, but it's there. Okay guys, so again, I'm so excited. Our second shipment. And one thing about when you are doing a partnership or a brand ambassador or whatever, the thing that I really enjoy the most is you get to select things that you like. It's not about them just sending you some stuff. Now, it is certain styles that they want to market during certain months, but all in all, you get to create looks based on what you will wear, based on your personality, things that you love. So we're gonna get into the first shoe that I picked, and I want to show you all what we got here. I have not got around to even styling for my Instagram page, Style by Marchel'e, shameless plug, about the other shoes. It's just so much has been going on. I just haven't had the time just yet. But anywho, let's get into our unboxing for today. Ooh, you know, this part makes me so very excited. It is the part of your career where you're like, hey, I made it to another level. When brands like the way you represent yourself and they say, hey, you can represent my brand too and tap into your audience to get my brand out. So I love that. I love that about Steve Madden. So our shoe today is a little different for me. You all gonna be like, what? You picked that up? Because if you know me, I'm a high heel girl. I'm like all about the heels, all about the pumps, all about a little strappy, sexy shoe, all about an over-the-knee boot or a thigh-high boot, something sexy, okay? I'm all for the sexy. If I get old or when I get old and my back is hurting, my knees are hurting, I'm be like, look, I was stepping back in the day in some big steppers, but we went a different route today because I also want to show versatility as a brand ambassador for Steve Madden. I wanted to show other things that I would wear because it might tap into you all, and then you all can tell me how you were styled or whatever. So let's get into it. Ooh. So these sneakers are so chic. I mean, you see the metallic silver, the hot pink paired with the gray shoestrings, the black. You could dress these a lot of different ways. I already see a little pleated mini skirt with this, a nice jogging set, of course denim. It's a lot of ways these could be styled. I want to know, how would you style these? How would you wear your Steve Madden sneakers? They are lovely. Do you like these? They come in a few other colors too, but I want to know if you will wear these. I love these. I got some ideas for how I would style it, but you know, you're gonna have to go to my Instagram page so you can see. But these are the first pair of shoes for tonight. They're a little chunky, not really heavy, but they are very cute. I love them. And like I say, a little different from me, but I wanted to just get some different things going on. So that's our first shoe. Oh Lord, I love these. So I get to do two loves. You all know I love shoes. I love shoes and bags, and I absolutely love shopping of all sorts and, you know, fashion of all sorts. But my shoe game is nice. Okay. So we're gonna get into our second box here. Now, for me, I think I remember which ones these are, but I'm not 100%. But for me, I feel like your shoe closet or your shoe game, they need to have some staples. You know, black pump, nude pumps. You need a strappy, colorful heel. You need a combat boot, ladies. You need a stacked shoe for if you got at like brunch or something where you're going to be a long time standing for a while. And you need a nice, sexy stiletto pump. You need a few options. You need, you know, like a nice sneaker as well. So make sure, I think you all should have at least 10 pair of shoes. That's your go-to. Now, when you become a shoe girly like me, that's when you start getting different colors in the same style of shoe, or you get the new styles that are just released. That's when you shop your favorite brand and you always know what's new and popping. You get in the black and the gold and the silver, in addition to the rhinestones or the peep toe and the shell toe. You will get all the options because you just love it so much. So you have some options. So let's get into our second box here. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, just in time for summertime. Ooh, the summertime. These are lime green, honey. Strappy. You see that open toe, ladies? Make sure your toes are done, okay? And guess what? We can wear another color on our toes besides white. You don't only have to wear white toenail polish. I know the girlies just love the white nail polish. Let's do something different. You know, this is 2024. Let's go back to the color. I'm always a color. I live in color. So here we have our next little pump. These are so light. It has a lot of cushion in here. I could feel. Let me see if I can show you all here. You see these are gonna strap up. You see the little length. There's a little length here to go around your ankles with the buckles. Here you go. I love these. How would you style them? Tell me, how would you style them? And as you see, these are two totally different shoes in today's unboxing. The chunky heel, the chunky sneaker, excuse me, or the nice, sexy, strappy, open toe sandal. I just love it. Steve Madden, thank you. Thank you. I thoroughly enjoy all of my packages. Again, I can't wait to style everything. I want you all to remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, your social media page is your business page. Keep it clean, keep it crisp, keep your visuals on point. You never know who's looking at it. It could be a video from 10 years ago. It could be a video that you just did yesterday. It could be a look that you did 10 years ago. It could be a look from a couple of days ago. You just never know. So just make sure your image is always who you want to offer up to different brands. And remember, if you are ever looking for a personal stylist to up your photo shoot so you could do a brand revamp or a brand refresh, remember, highlight your girl, Style by Marchel'e on Instagram. Leave a message here. It's a ton of ways to contact me. You can go into the comments, in the description, the video. It's no way that you can't find me if you need it. And every so often, a brand, you do need to refresh. You need to reintroduce yourself to your audience. It could be a new audience. It could be somebody who's been following you and they stopped following you for a while and they come back. So just give them a new refresh. Give them some new stuff to look at. So if you ever are in need, I am your girl, okay, baby. But that's all I have for you tonight on this little unboxing video. Again, thank you, Steve Madden, and I can't wait to style it. Remember, it's a lifestyle. They're always watching, so give them something good to look at, baby.